can do the same thing. So that way when I'm blowing, it's not gonna put the underlayment, the pine straw, when I curve it, it's not gonna go under the underlayment. So pretty much what I'm doing is I'm taking the pre-existing borders. Come over here and get a shot of this. I'm taking the pre-existing borders. So instead of using like the needles, not the needles, but like the nails that you can get for landscaping fabric, I'm just taking the pre-existing borders. I have an overlap of the underlayment, and then I'm just gonna place it back down in there and make it nice and tough. So now you don't have to worry about getting that landscaping staples, those landscaping nails. Just take the underlayment and lay it back down in there. Watch again. I'm gonna take out the pre-existing brick. So even if you already have something that's established, still cut enough for it to overlap. Fold it down, slide it in, kind of like if you have a computer and you're just inserting like a memory chip. All right, let's get back to it. And then of course, over here on the outside, I'm going to overlap this border so that way when the pine straw is out, I can get that curve. And you'll see what I'm talking about when I go get the blower and I can curve up underneath. So we want to make sure that no matter what we're doing with the pine straw, we still have that curve appeal. And no different from another video that we did, talking about the rolls of pine straw versus the bales. And you can see that this is the long needle pine straw. Like I said, for all of our clients, all of our customers, the long needle pine straw is what we choose at West Lawn Care. Just making sure I go outside that border, so that way when I come back and I roll, it's gonna look magnificent. It's going to look way beautiful landscaping. Who did your landscaping? West Lawn Care did landscaping. They do pine straw, they do mulch, they do bushes, trees, grass, fertilization, all of it, mowing, blowing. Yeah, see, pine straw, magnificent.